This will be the most important trading video that you'll need as a beginner, because understanding candlesticks is the foundation for everything. Let's go in. Hold on, I need to get some caffeine, bro. My bad. Little break. Okay, man. Alright, guys. So, I assume you are a new trader. You want to make money day trading, okay? You're in your trading view. This is the trading view. Now, first of all, we have these time frames, right? In every single time frame, this is the weekly time frame. In every single time frame, there will be candlesticks, okay? Okay, now this is the daily time frame. On the daily, this is right now moving, but it will close every 24 hours because one day is 24 hours, you get the point, okay? So currently it is moving. So after 10 hours, the 24-hour will pass. As you can see right here on the right, the 24-hour will pass. Oh, hold on, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it, okay? Now, after 10 hours, the 24-hour will pass and this candle will close, meaning it will turn like this. These on the left they're not moving anymore. This is history, okay? It is past. It has already happened. How can we know? Because these are not moving anymore. And this is the daily time frame. So when this closes, this is also history. But we can use this as our advantage. We can use the history as our advantage. We can use the current one as our advantage, the moving one. Now how? Well, you probably don't know this, but there's this building block in my strategy that I teach on my channel and on my Discord. Liquidity. Okay, I have full explanation on that one, but for example, it lies over here, and we know that because this is the history, and and the moving candle can get there and etc. But you probably don't know what the hell am I talking about, but I assume you're a beginner, okay? Because this is for beginners. But obviously everyone can watch this, okay? Because sometimes it's good to come back and learn something new, because every time you will learn something new, like it ain't no joke. But that's what's up. That's how you can use it as our advantage, this history and this current one. Okay, now you may wonder, what is this? Why does this candle have a fat area and a thin area? Now let me explain you that. Okay, this is the fat area. Okay, let's say this is a down candle. Okay, because it is red. This right here is a up candle, not the most beautiful one that you have seen, but let's say like this. This is the up candle, this is a down candle, okay? This is the fat area. Now obviously the candle consists also something called a wick. This is the wick of the candle. Wick of the candle. These are the wicks, the smaller ones. Also, up candle also has ones. Hold on. Why is this? Okay. Now, they always can be different. Like they vary from different sizes, etc. But most of the time, the candles has wicks. And this right here, on the middle one, the fat area. This is the body of the candle. Body of the candle. Body and wick. This is the wick. This right here is wick. Wick, 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 and wick. So one candle can have only one body but two wicks. Okay, now let's say both of these are closed candles. What does closed mean? It means it's not moving anymore, okay? Now, this is a moving candle. It's not closed, but this is a closed candle, okay? Closed candle. In every time frame that happens. Okay, now you may wonder, how the hell do these candles work exactly? Now let me explain you. Down candle opens from above of this body, not the wick, the body. So candle opens here, open. Okay, this is the candle opening on this line, and the down candle closes below the body at here. Opens, closes. On the other hand, upper candle, like the up candle, it closes. Up candle closes above the body, okay, above this line. So like this. And the up candle opens from below the body. Now, same thing. Down candle closes from below. Up candle opens below. Now, this may sound hella weird, but let me explain it. You'll understand, okay? What do I mean by opening? Where does the candle start moving? Look. Hold on, let me just show you. Okay, let me give you an example. This right here is a blue candle, up candle. Okay, now where did it open? Meaning, where did it start moving? Okay, because this was moving once, okay? So, this up candle right here, this one, it started moving. This up candle right here started moving right here on the text. Okay, on this right here, the up candle started moving. How can I know? Because literally it is an up candle. It starts moving from below. Okay, and it closes here because this is an up candle. Opens here, closes here. Opens here, starts moving here, closes, stops moving here because it is an up candle. Okay, on the body, not the wick. Now on the other hand, a down candle. Where did a down candle start moving? From up. It is literally reverse. Remember, it opens above this body, closes below the body, not the wick. This thin line is the wick, not the wick, from the body. Closes below the body, stops moving below the body, starts moving above the body, this fat area. Same thing here. Opens above, closes below. Opens above, closes below. Now up candle, same reverse. Opens below, closes above. Okay, sometimes these kind of happen. It may look weird, but it depends on the broker or literally the chart that you're using. But sometimes it may look kind of choppy and not literally on the line. But still, it opened here, closes here because this is a down candle. Okay, opened here, closed here. Opened here, closed here. Okay, opens below, closes above. Opens below, closes above. Down candle, opens above, closes below. You get the point, okay? Now, is that really necessary? Do I always check where does it open? No, bro. Because I'm literally just looking the history at the charts. This is literally in the strategy that I use. If you don't know the strategy, join my Discord or learn from my YouTube. Your choice. Okay? Because this is just the basics of the basics. You don't need to overthink this. This is just the candlesticks, okay? They are really important, but you don't need to overcomplicate it. You don't need to think like, oh, but this closed like this opened like this opened here. What? Wait. No, bro. You just look at the history and literally in my strategy there's like, okay, this is a liquidity sweep. Okay, this is a high. This is a high. You probably don't know what I'm talking about, but this is in the strategy. And with these candlesticks, how they're formed, we can see and find building blocks in the strategy. But some strategies use kinda, I'm gonna tell you like this, okay? Some people think and use candlesticks as like confirmation, like let's say, oh, this is a engulfing candle because this wick is high, really high, and this is a small, and this is looks like a fucking rocket, and this looks like a dick. Okay, I'm kidding, but for real, some people use it that kind of way. I don't use it like that. I don't use it like that. I just use it as history, and I see, okay, this is a high, this is a high, okay, liquidity, etc. Oh, this is an order block right here. Why is it an order block? Because it broke structure, leaves us order block. Now you may wonder, what the hell am I talking about? It sounds like rocket science. It may sound, but when you learn the strategy, it will be really easy to spot those. Okay, now first of all, you may wonder, is it actually easy to learn strategy? For some people it is easy to learn, for some people it is harder to learn, but yeah, it depends on you. Okay, but people in my Discord obviously learn faster because they literally see real-time action and make money on the side, so that kind of helps with their psychology, and they literally see how I look at the charts, etc. But obviously you can learn from my YouTube as well. But yeah, this is really basic stuff. Like, it could sound kind of weird, but remember, the thin line is a wick. Body, the fat area is the body. This is the body, and in every time frame we have candles. Okay, 4-hour time frame. Currently it is moving. In 3 hours it will close and it will become history. Okay, currently it is moving on the 4-hour. 1 hour, the most previous one, is moving, but after 17 minutes on the right it will close and it will turn stagnant, so it will not move anymore like after 17 minutes. But this is a 1 hour time frame, so every 1 hour a new candle opens and the previous one closes. That's how it goes, and we can use the closed candles as history. For example, I literally see everything. Okay, right here, this is a liquidity, area of liquidity, and we can use these as our building blocks. When one of these areas get hit, we can go in lower time frame and find a setup. But I know that could sound like rocket science, I know, but trust me, you'll learn it. You'll learn it if you really want to learn. Okay, you really just gotta do the hard work first, and then the money will come. Okay, trust me, I've seen that, I've been there. I used to have so many doubts in my mind. I used to doubt that I'm not gonna learn. I used to doubt that this is not gonna work, but I just had to went through it all, and here I am, man, teaching you guys because literally I'm a day trader. I have so much free time, bro. But anyways, do not overcomplicate these candlesticks. Okay, you just look at them. Okay, I see. Okay, this is a up candle, this is a down candle. For example, a high, we call them highs. A high is created when a up candle and a followed by a down candle. This is the high. I have made a video on that one also. And the low is created by a down candle followed by an up candle. That's how we can literally find highs and lows. Again, may sound weird, but you'll get used to it. Okay, so do not overcomplicate these candlesticks. Okay, do not overcomplicate it. Okay, if you didn't understand on this video, don't worry, man, just relax, one day at a time. Just focus, bro, focus. That is the absolutely basics. Okay, I really want you to guys understand it, because I'm not playing with this. Okay, I want as many people learn how to day trade so they can make money online, because we all know what's going around in the world. We never know what's gonna happen, so you literally don't have much time. It's time to learn, it's time to make some money online, so you gotta use this trading as your advantage. Okay, man, but I have to go take a live trade soon. This was a really beginner guide kind of video, but yeah, man, if you want to learn how to day trade while you're making money, then the link is in the description. Okay, but yeah, man, peace out.